alien infestation. 100% guaranteed. Money back. The Exterminatorz now. He kills humans. Dead.
Alright, now wave goodbye to all those people waiting in line because you are never going to see them ever again. I know we always say that. And that's because there's one thing horror movies and theme park attractions have in common. No matter how the story starts out, something always goes horribly wrong. But I have a feeling tonight's going to be different. It's Halloween, it's Terror Tram. We're going to a remote section of the backlot at night where some of the most infamous killers in horror movie history used to roam. Now, what could possibly go wrong? Oh, crap.
I'm sorry to interrupt your fun, ladies and gentlemen. I am Gloria Strickland, and I am the Chief Executive Officer of Hazard Valuation and Eco-Crisis Management at the studio. I just need to speak with your tour guide for a minute. Where do you think you're going?
It's Terror Tram. We're going to the backlot.
I'm afraid that is out of the question.
Why?
Had you bothered to check in with our self-serve employee info kiosks when you clocked in this evening, you would know that that area is under a chartreuse level threat assessment and off limits to employees and the public.
What is a chartreuse level threat assessment?
Our data suggests that the color red panics people. Look, those are very old structures. They are riddled with termites, infested with vermin. Like the whole place is crawling with bugs.
Are you tired of humans? Are you sick of being stepped on, squashed, swatted, and sprayed? Then call the Exterminatorz, the #1 name in human pest control. Our helpful and discreet operators are standing by 24/7 to answer all your human pest needs. Have you got cantankerous Karens, hostile haters, entitled teens, or irritating influencers? Then call the Exterminatorz today and make your human problems go away. Hi, I'm Larry Larva. Did you know 90% of all life forms on this planet are insects? We outnumber humans 1 billion to 1. 1 billion to 1. Humans don't stand a chance. They call us pests, vermin, and creepy crawlers. But insects have occupied this planet for over 400 million years. Rodents, 50 million years. Humans, a measly 300,000. And look what they've done to the place. They've poisoned the air with noxious gases. They've contaminated the land and water with dangerous chemicals and toxic waste. And they say the dung beetle is gross because he lives in poop. Please! That's why I invented the Squooge, the only humanicide on the market that's guaranteed to kill humans dead. It looks like a milkshake, it tastes like a cheeseburger, and it smells like warm apple pie. Humans can't resist it. Just one taste and they're Squooge. 100% guaranteed or your money back. But don't take my word for it. Just ask one of my quintillion satisfied customers. So what are you waiting for? Call the Exterminatorz today, because humans are a pest.
I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen, I gotta think about bugs. Well, sorry to dump you and fly, but this is as far as we can take you. You're going to have to get off and walk, or crawl, or make like a cockroach and scurry away.
Well,
happy Halloween, everyone!
These are my favorite pests. He's been waiting for you. This way to meet the Exterminator. Humans are a pest.
Can't you see the rating on this damn mistake?
You never get used to that smell.
I'm literally being killed by a giant bug.
We kill humans dead. 100% guaranteed or your money back. Need a demonstration? You never get used to that smell.
Oh my god! I'm literally being killed by a giant bug.
We kill humans dead. 100% guaranteed or your money back. Need a demonstration? And you kill humans dead. Need a demonstration? That's right, my brothers and sisters. It's time to rise up from the sewers. Free yourself from the cages you have and claim our
I brought the rifle for this. You okay?
Did you know insects on this planet outnumber humans 1 billion to 1? Humans don't stand a chance.
You fucking with the kid? Exactly.
Did you know insects on this planet outnumber humans 1 billion to 1?
What's up, Black Widow?
Did you know insects on this planet outnumber humans 1 billion to 1? Humans don't stand a chance. Did you know what have humans ever done for us? Except try to eradicate us from this planet. Each animal with their inflated life expectancy, greedily consuming all of our natural resources, exterminate them. Rise up, my brothers and sisters. Cast off those nets. Free yourself from the traps of our human oppressors and make them feel the sting of our wrath. Remember, humans are a pest. What have humans ever done for us except try to eradicate us from this planet? Humans, with their inflated life expectancy, greedily consuming all of our natural resources, exterminate them. answers and make them feel the sting of our wrath. Remember, humans are a pest. What have humans ever done for us? Except try to eradicate us from this planet. But they're playing life experience.
It's payback time. And I've got the one thing no human pest can resist. The screw. Exterminate. Extreme test. 8 points for the
Rise, my children, rise! The Scrooge! Guaranteed to kill humans dead! Just one drop, and they're screwed! Rise! Rise, my children, rise! Your human problem go away. Humans are a pest. Call the exterminators today and make your human problem go away. Humans are a pest.
What now?
Coming. They're coming.
Let's take a picture.
They're coming.